What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit the like button. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you are new to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. So, of course, we got a box. You know what I'm saying? Straight from Nike, man. Now, I don't even know what to say. This shoe right here, I've been holding for about a week. And it was kind of an impulse buy. I really just wanted to see this shoe in hand, you know what I mean? I've seen pictures of this shoe, and I'm sure you can tell by the title, whatever shoe it is, but the pictures online for this shoe were so crazy. Like, I had to grab this shoe. I had to see this shoe in hand. So, let's go ahead and open up this box, man. Now, I don't know if you can tell by the box, but this is an Air Jordan 1. It's like a small Jordan on it. The tag reads Women's Jordan 1 Low LV8D SE. Bro, I had to see this shoe. I had to see this shoe in hand because it just looks so crazy online. So the shoe comes with white paper with like a Nike sign on it and a blanked out Jordan Wings logo. Alright, so yo. Yo, that's crazy right now. Bro, check this shoe out, man. Look at the look at the sole on this. Yo, that's crazy, but like, is it that crazy? I don't know. You guys, this is the Jordan 1 Low LV8D SE. I mean, I love the upper, obviously, right? That's what made me really, really buy the shoe. I love the upper. But the sole is so thick, bruh. It's like it kind of has like a Alexander McQueen like lip right here, but like this extra chunk of sole. If they just would have like slimmed the red part of the sole down, I really could probably get these off. I mean, honestly, if you got swag, you probably still could get these off, but this is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna leave in front. I love the upper, man. I'm a come with extra laces. Let me open. Bro, the leather is soft. On the upper, the leather is super duper soft. Let's look at the insole. So the insole, this is kind of dope, man. It's like a cork insole with the with a picture of Jordan in his ones. That's how thick the insole is. This is pretty dope, man. This is pretty dope. Obviously, the sole is super duper thick. I mean, honestly, if you're a short dude, you could probably get these off, man. I don't know, man. When you pull them back like that, they don't look that crazy, right? But when you kind of get close up on them, these hoes look like boats. These are crazy, bro. Let's see. Let's look at the other shoe real quick. And like I said, same thing. The leather is soft though, man. The leather is super duper soft. On the heel of both shoes, it has that Wings logo, but it doesn't say anything on it, right? It has the Wings logo, but it doesn't really say anything on it. God damn, though. This sole is super duper thick. And then it comes with, what is this? It's like a necklace? You guys remember, this is a women's shoe, so here, let me, you know what? The homie Davey really wanted to see what this was about, so I'm gonna untie it real quick. I don't know if it's a bracelet. I don't know what the hell this thing is. Alright, so it comes with this card. It kind of shows what's going on inside the sole of the shoe right here. I'm definitely not gonna read all this, but you know, you could pause it. You know what I'm saying? Comes with it. I guess you could have it as an anklet. Comes with the little anklet. Comes with, and then like has a little Jordan charm. How's that look? Can you see? But it's kind of dope, man. A little anklet. And I mean, if fellas, if you was really, I don't know why you would wear it, but you know, you guys do your own thing, man. That's what you like, man. But you know, like I said, it's a woman's shoe. So it comes with a gold anklet. I mean, you can attach that to the shoe in any way that you want to attach it, man. But you know, honestly, I don't know, man. I'm not that mad at this shoe, and I understand that it's a woman's shoe. I really do. Should I do it on foot? You feel like we looked at the shoe good enough? There's nothing on the tongue, by the way. There's no logo. There's no nothing. It's all blank. You got a little Jumpman right there. Hey, man, let's do a quick on foot, man. Why not? I ain't really seen no other videos of this shoe. So I'm going to put it on foot. And you guys feel free to roast me in the comments. Not even tripping. All right, it's your boy Bert Collins. Peace. Yeah, so look, like, I don't know how I feel about this shoe, bro. I really don't. Like, I kind of like them, but then I kind of don't. I don't know if it's just that Bred colorway that's just like, oh, boom. You know? the sole is just so damn thick, you know what I mean? And I know these weren't meant for men to wear, but like, sneaky, when they're on foot, they feel amazing, 1. 2, they look different, but they look cool on foot. Honestly, in my opinion, when I look back at my footage of them on feet, they don't look as crazy as they look in hand. Like, this sole looks ridiculous, you know what I'm saying? But when you see it on foot, you know it's not like your OG Jordan 1. But yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't know if I'm just trying to justify it in my head. As of now, these are staying at my house because I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them. But I went ahead and did the lace swap for you guys so you can get your own opinion, so you can make your own opinion. To me, they didn't look that crazy on foot. In hand, they look kind of crazy. I'm not going to lie to you. They look kind of crazy. But they did not look that crazy on foot. So, I don't know if I showed you the sole of the shoe. Also looks kind of crazy. As for now, though, these are staying in the collection. I feel like I could swag these out. I don't know if you can do that. You know what I mean? Not everybody's built to be able to swag every single pair of shoes out. I think I can swag these out. So as for now, these are staying in the collection. Honestly, when I bought this shoe, I literally was like, I'm buying it for the review, and I'm just gonna return it to the Nike outlet. But as of now, I'm keeping them. I love the cut. I love the leather. I'm not gonna lie, it did cross my mind, like maybe even doing a sole swap. I don't know, man. But I'm definitely keeping these in the collection because they're different, man. And one day I might just throw them on feet and swag them out, you know what I'm saying? Comment below. This video is over, man. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. I appreciate all the new subscribers, man. If you did not hit the like button on the way in, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I appreciate y'all, man. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out, you guys. Peace.